Welcome, today in front of me TCL 306 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. And also we have the second way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button of your device and after that open the full volume panel here. And now we have here the ringtone volume panel, and by the same way you can just swipe to the left side, that's blue dot, or also we can just by the same way open the settings and do it here again. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.